Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know that I have not been posting any videos lately. I've been really busy. Um, this whole winter has gone by so fast for me. And it's been a good break from gardening, but I just wanted to check in and see how everyone was doing. And I wanted to share what I've been doing this winter and also things that are keeping me busy and plant happy. So as you can see, my beautiful orchid is blooming here. This is my little plant window at home. I love this window so much. It really offers so much joy to me in the winter. I grow all kinds of house plants. I just love being around plants, and this is one of my beautiful joys of winter garden life and just plants in general. I mean, obviously these plants do give me a lot of joy in the summer as well, but I really get to enjoy them in the winter because I can fully focus on them, and I think I just love everything about them. As you can see, they are really happy in this beautiful sunshine, and they are just enjoying their time here. And yeah, I just wanted to show you this little beautiful vignette of my home garden and what it looks like, and a peek outside. This is my veg garden area. The magnolia here has so many buds on it. I'm excited for when this starts to bloom. It's still early for us here. There is lots of snow on the ground, as you can see. I haven't even gone in my backyard because the access to it was so covered in snow, and it was just crazy. Here is Ollie. He is really been a joy. Hanging out with him, the winter has been really fun with him. I've been walking regularly with him, and yeah, we've done a lot of walks together. I've been also completing my Toronto Master Gardeners program. I've been actively taking courses, and I'm doing integrated pest management this term. So it's been busy, just balancing everything. And this season, I really haven't started any seeds this year, and I feel bad about that. I don't know, I just didn't feel like I had the time to take that on right now. So this year, I think I'm taking a pause on a lot of the seed starting. I'm going to buy my vegetable plants this year. That's what I've decided. I might direct sow a lot of stuff, and I will sow some annuals in a bit, but that's really what I'm going to be doing this year. I'm just taking it easy on myself, not really putting too much on myself in terms of all the pressure for gardening. And I see a lot of people get going and starting on things, but I have been really slow this winter because I've been busy. I'm also volunteering a lot now, so it takes up a lot more of my time. And I have also I'm just learning, taking my time and taking it slow this season. But I will bring you along as things wake up in my garden, things I'm adding, things I'm changing, just giving you my weekly garden tours and coming back with that as soon as my plants start to wake up. In the spring, I will start my weekly tours and bring you along. So I just wanted to give you an update and also share with you my very first garden task that I'm going to do. But I want to show you something that I have bought lately, which I shouldn't have, but I bought them early and I'm storing them indoors, and I'll show you those plants. So here they are. So these are beautiful agapanthus, which I got from one of the there was like a garden sale day at the Toronto Botanical Garden. I think it was about a couple of weeks ago, and I just happened to find these beautiful agapanthus. This lady was selling them, and I know they are going to be annual for me, but I couldn't resist. And she told me that she overwinters them indoors, and she's been enjoying them for a few years now. So I picked up a I don't know the variety names, but this flower is almost done. I have to cut it back, but as you can see, it's putting out another bloom here, and this is a beautiful purple color, and I also picked up a white colored one. As you can see, this is gorgeous. I can't wait to put it in the planter outside in the garden and enjoy them all summer long. And she told me that they would bloom all summer, so I have to see. This is my first experience with agapanthus. I'm not sure if they are going to bloom all summer, but we'll see. I'll keep them watered, fertilized throughout the summer, and we'll see how these do. And guess what? I also picked up some hellebores. So Sheridan Nursery was having like a one-day sale on these just this week, and I happened to be there, and I saw these beautiful hellebores. These are the Ice and Roses Merlot. I know I planted some of these last year in my garden, and I absolutely love them. They are just so beautiful. They are deep, intense, and I'm enjoying these blooms inside for now because it's really cold outside, and because these have been grown in the greenhouse, they are not hardened at all. So I have to give them a chance indoors, and I think in about 2-3 weeks, when the weather is more or less a little bit warmer, just a little bit, I mean, they can handle some frost, but I will start kind of getting them used to the outside, and I'm going to actually plant them in my planters outside my door. And then once they're done blooming, I'm going to plant them in my shade garden. But then I also have another variety here, which I want to show you. This is also so beautiful. As you can see, this is giving me so much bloom right now over here. And this variety here, I doesn't really have an, oh, it's called Bennotta. So this is a Bennotta, and the other one is a Merlot. But this has got like a really pretty, really pretty. I don't know if you can see the colors, but it's much lighter pink. And there's Ollie. And it's much lighter pink, and it's so beautiful that I'm actually really loving these. Just having them indoors as flowers at this time of the year, it's just bringing me so much joy and so much happiness to have these flowers here. Aren't they gorgeous? And here is my backyard. It's looking full of snow. I don't know if you can see it through this, but it's full of snow. But there is so much out there that is going to start to kind of fill in very soon, and I'm very excited. I have so much cleanup to do. I'm really getting anxious to get out there and start working in my garden, but I have to just hold on tight for at least, I would say, till the end of March, at least here. So yeah, this is what I have been up to, and I am going to actually clear out my Christmas planters as the first thing I do. I'll show those to you. I mean, they have been really now getting on my nerves because it's much overdue. So let me show those to you, and those are where I think I will plant these hellebores for now. Once the weather just gets slightly better, I think in a couple of weeks it will. Enough for these hellebores to be okay on my porch. So I'm going to do that. But let's see, let me show you what those planters look like. So these are the planters that I think I will tackle today. It's a small job, but I would love to get rid of these things from the planter, just have them empty, and then just really really clean them up and then get them ready so that when it's time and the soil is not frozen, I will put my hellebores out here and enjoy them while they are still blooming. So this is a small job that I'm going to do today, and as my very first job this season. So that's what I'm going to do today, and I'll show you when I have done it and it's completed. I hope this video is inspiring you to do something little in your garden. I know for a lot of us it doesn't feel like there's much to do because of all the snow out there. But you know, I just want to do something, a little something in my garden. And as you can see, I've been dreaming with all these plants and getting ready. So I just want to get rid of some of this Christmas decorations. I think there's a lot of it that is already, you know, that's still here. As you can see, I'm still in Christmas mode. So I have to, it's time to kind of put these things away, but the soil has been frozen, so I haven't been able to get to it anything. But because these planters don't have anything living in it, I'll just put some hot water in it so that I can pull these things out and clean out these bins. So that's it. I will do that right now and I'll show you when it's all done. It's been a couple of days since I cleared these planters, and the weather here has been really nice, and it's gonna be plus, I think, in the double digits, or at least in the positives for the next week or next 10 days or so. The nighttime temperatures will fall below zero, but I think these hellebores will survive outside. I've done this last year as well, and they were just fine, and especially because they'll be under this covered porch. So what I'm gonna do is, it feels so good to remove all the Christmas decor from these planters. I'm gonna plant these glorious hellebores in their place, enjoy them on my porch for a few weeks, and then once I'm ready and the blooms are done, I'm going to plant them out in my garden. So that's the plan. I'm going to get the hellebores in these pots and show you what these look like. I'm so excited. This is my very first bloom of the season that I'm putting in these planters, and it really is starting to feel like spring, although we do have a lot of snow still out here and it's melting slowly. It's just beautiful to have something as beautiful as hellebores planted here. So I'm going to do that and I'll show you what this looked like. So I have the Ice and Roses Merlot as well as the Bennotta. So I'm going to plant one each in each of these two planters, and I think they'll look really nice together. So let me do that and I'll show you what these planters look like. Here it is. The hellebores are in these beautiful planters, and I think they look really pretty. So what I did was, I did not remove them from the pots. They are planted with their pots. So I have just dug in the pots in the soil, and the reason I'm doing that is because obviously this is not its permanent spot. So I will be planting these out in my garden in about a couple of months, I would think, or maybe in a month and a half. So I am going to leave them in these pots so that it's just easy for me to just pull them out of this planter. When I'm ready for my summer planter, I can just remove these and put them in my garden. So I think these colors look really pretty. I just love how they've been blooming, and I'm so happy to have them outside so that I don't have to manage these indoors. They will be so much happier with the cooler temperatures outside. I just have to make sure these are watered, and they look really nice. Here's the other one. Just so exciting to see all this color. First color of the season, and I thought I would share with you a few updates, what I was up to, and show you what I'm doing in my garden. So please do follow along if you love watching my videos, love seeing my garden. I will be posting a lot more things about my garden. As I said, I will be doing my tours. I'll be starting my weekly tours soon, and we'll walk around my garden and see how it's waking up just as the snow melts. So that should be my next video, walking around and discovering what's coming up from the ground. So excited. And I did observe the other day, I did notice the first signs of bulbs poking through. So I just want to quickly show you, as the snow is like melting, I do see bulbs poking through. I think those are daffodils. Isn't it so exciting to see this right now? It's made my week. Like, I saw this yesterday and I was so excited. So lots to just uncover as the snow melts, and I'm really excited. But I am so happy with these planters. They are looking amazing. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you very soon in my next video. Please do like, subscribe this video, and more to come from me soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.